Hello everybody, this is Dory from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from Edexcel Specimen Paper Set 1. Question 7. Write down the exact value of cos 30. So these are exact values of trig. Now, if you're like me and you can't remember all the exact values, you can work it out by drawing a triangle, an equilateral triangle, like so. In an equilateral triangle, we know that this angle here is going to be 60 degrees. We're trying to work out cos 30, so we need to draw a straight line through the middle of this angle here, and we'll get this new right angle triangle. What I'll do, I'll draw this right angle triangle here separately, so it's a bit clearer. We know that this angle here is now going to be 30 as we've halved the 60. Now this equilateral triangle is a 2 by 2 by 2 equilateral triangle, so each side is length 2. So we've split this in half, so this length is now going to be 1. This base is still going to be 2. Using Pythagoras' theorem, we can work out this length here. Now we're working out one of the shorter sides, so it's going to be 2 squared subtract 1 squared. 2 squared is 4, 4 subtract 1 is 3, so we're going to get an answer of square root of 3 or root 3. Now our trig ratios, so one way to remember it, ka. So we can draw a little triangle to help us remember the trig ratios. So cos x is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cos of 30 is going to be equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now the adjacent side is going to be root 3, and the hypotenuse opposite the right angle is going to be 2. So the exact value of cos 30 is going to be root 3 over 2. Part B, given that sine 30 is equal to 0.5, work out the value of x. So we need to work out the value of x, that's this side length here. Now they tell you that the sine of 30 is equal to 0.5. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start by drawing my little trig ratio triangle, like so. It just helps me remember the order. So this triangle is basically saying that the sine of x, in this case is going to be sine of 30, is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So let me do some substitution. Sine 30, they've told me, is equal to 0.5. So I'm going to replace sine 30 with 0.5. So I have 0.5, which is equal to, now the opposite side. So this is 30, so this side here will be the opposite side, is going to be x over the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always opposite the right angle, so it's x over 12. In order to solve this equation, I'm going to multiply both sides by 12. 0.5 times 12. When you times by 0.5, it's the same as dividing by 2. So we're going to get an answer of 6. Dividing by 12 times by 12 cancels out, so you're just left with x. So x is equal to 6. And there's your answer for part B. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. Signing out.